still just a beginner.
You want to know why it's fun? You get to beat people with a stick, and the best part, it's totally legal. Viva violence! You get stronger physically and mentally as well. Seeing the pain on my opponent's face after I destroy them makes the sadist in me smile. You get to learn about teamwork, and it really helps you mature as a person and stuff. What she meant to say is I'll do anything as long as Donny Boy's by my side. Well, I hope you tune in next time for Pink and Blue. All you sicko-masochists should tune in for sure.
The most successful video game of all time is The Sims, a game in which you create a virtual being and pit him against all kinds of life obstacles, such as using an oven, going to the toilet, cooking on a barbecue, eating, installing fire alarms, and pretty much just, well, trying to stay alive. Tonight, we talk with Simon Lefton. Ladies and gentlemen, this man is a sim.
Please feed me. I'm really hungry.
So Simon, what's it like being a sim?
Terrible. All people do is abuse us. Just yesterday, I was in a room with no doors, standing, and sleeping on my own blue liquid.
Why is it that people find your suffering so hilarious?
Hilarious. Our lives are not jokes. We're not tools of your entertainment.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure that you are.
Why? I've never been more insulted in my life.
Well, you guys do live pretty short lives, so, I wouldn't be surprised.
Not me. The player turned off aging using the cheats. My torment is eternal.
Well, until he gets bored of playing.
But with all the expansions, I don't see that happening.
Oh yeah, you guys have dogs and stuff now, don't you?
I had a dog, but I lost him in the Sims 2 Disease and Plague expansion.
I've never heard of that one, and I think I'm glad not to.
Yeah, that one never really took off.